Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Meesho haul. So these are all the things that I have got from Meesho this time. Everything is so pretty. So these are basically kurta sets. You already know by the title and the thumbnail. So I'm currently literally obsessed with Meesho. मैं पहले ना Meesho से ज़्यादा कुछ ऑर्डर नहीं करती थी because I used to feel very skeptical about it कि पता नहीं कैसा क्या क्वालिटी आएगा. But जब से मैंने Meesho बर्थडे ड्रेस हॉल की है ना, तब से I am like now I have to buy more clothes, more things from Meesho and share it with you guys because you guys love Meesho hauls. And Meesho में price ranges are so cheap. कभी कभार ना मुझे ऐसे शॉक लग जाती है कि इतने कम रेंज में ये कैसे दे रहे हैं. मतलब how? As I said, I have got these kurta sets from Meesho this time. Some of these are little loose on the waist area. Otherwise, quality wise देखा जाए तो ना I am just in love with all these kurtas. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and get started with today's video. By the way, I have already made a Meesho Amazon sari haul and Meesho jewelry haul. तो आपने अगर वो नहीं देखा है ना, तो वो सब वीडियो में सारे मीशो हॉल्स एंड सारे फेस्टिव वेयर वाली हॉल या फेस्टिव ज्वेलरी हॉल मैं सब कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक कर दूंगी. मेक श्योर यू चेक आउट एवरीथिंग आफ्टर यू डन वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. आई एम रियली कंफ्यूज कि किससे स्टार्ट करनी चाहिए मुझे. Okay, let's start with this one. It's basically a mustard yellow kurta set. It's basically a straight kurta which has this very pretty white embroidery work all over the kurta. इसकी finishing बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी है. Like look at it. It has this basic round neckline and 3/4 sleeve. The material does not have any stretch to it. And the material is rayon. So yeah, that's that. And now let's talk about the dupatta and the palazzo. This is the palazzo right here. It's a plain basic white palazzo and ankle पे ना ऐसी same white embroidery work है, but यहाँ से थोड़ा बहुत धागा निकल रहा है. But anyway, I can cut it off. And this is the dupatta. Now दुपट्टा की क्वालिटी इतनी कुछ खास अच्छी नहीं है, which is not an issue because more or less online से मैंने जब भी ऐसी दुपट्टा वाली कोई सेट खरीदी है ना, दुपट्टे की क्वालिटी उतनी कुछ खास नहीं होती है compared to the kurta and the palazzo. इसमें ना ऐसी येलो थ्रेड वर्क है एंड साइड पे ऐसी येलो बॉर्डर है. आई लव द होल लुक. बहुत ही ज्यादा प्यारी लग रही है मुझे ये. इट इज परफेक्ट फॉर फेस्टिव ओकेजन. इवन यू कैन वेयर इट ऑन वेडिंग फंक्शंस लाइक हल्दी पे आप पहन सकते हो. ये बहुत ही प्रिटी लगेगा. इट इज अवेलेबल इन ब्लैक, वायलेट, ब्लू, स्काई ब्लू, पिंक, रेड एंड एश कलर में भी अवेलेबल है. प्राइस ऑफ दिस होल कुर्ता सेट इज ओनली 528 रुपीज विच इज सच अ स्टील. आई गॉट दिस इन दिस साइज स्मॉल क्योंकि एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल अवेलेबल नहीं था. नाउ आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू शो यू द नेक्स्ट कुर्ता सेट विच इज like my favorite from this entire haul. Okay, so it's basically this white chikankari kurta. This is the material. It's so freaking comfortable. It's so soft and it's pure cotton. This is how the kurta looks like. It's so pretty, no? I love wearing white and मुझे ऐसे cotton में ऐसे chikankari work, ऐसी embroidery work बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. It has this keyhole neckline and 3/4 sleeve. And let me show you the dupatta. It's a plain basic white dupatta which has this silver colored gota patti work on the side. On the borderline. Basically it's very soft and all. Also what you can do is if you want to make this outfit look more like chumkila and more festively, basically if you want to add more color to your outfit, then what you can do is just carry a banarasi dupatta या तो फिर कोई भी ऐसी कलरफुल दुपट्टा आप इसके साथ कैरी कर सकते हो. इट विल लुक so pretty. मैं इस तरफ आ गई हूँ बिकॉज बहुत ही जोर की धूप आ रही थी and I was literally washing out. But yeah, anyway, now the price of this kurta set is only 666 rupees and this one is like the most expensive one from this entire haul. Now ये ना waist area से थोड़ा सा see through है as you can see. इसमें lining दी हुई है front side पे and back side पे भी, but इतना तक ही दी हुई है. Next up we have this kurta set. Again it's a kurta palazzo and dupatta का set. This is the dupatta. So kurta and palazzo में इतना कुछ खास डिजाइन नहीं है. Let me show you. This is how the kurta looks like. It's a very glossy kind of material. The material is called silk blend. Again it's a straight kurta which has side sleeves of course and this is the palazzo. The kurta has this little V sort of a cut right here and it has 3/4 sleeve. Oh, it's not stretchable of course. दुपट्टा के सिवा इसमें इस कुर्ता में ज़्यादा दिखाने को कुछ नहीं है but it is a perfect festive outfit I would say. This is the dupatta. It's a organza dupatta as you can see and यही चीज़ ना पूरी outfit को बहुत ही interesting बनाती है. This is the whole outfit. This is how it looks on me. Just style it with heavy jewelries and it will look so good. It's a perfect night time outfit for your festive season. ये ना और भी दो कलर्स में अवेलेबल है. एक मस्टर्ड येलो है, मस्टर्ड येलो सॉर्ट ऑफ अ कलर एंड एक मिंट ग्रीन कलर में भी अवेलेबल है। द मिंट ग्रीन वन इज लुकिंग वेरी वेरी प्रिटी, मुझे ये भी चाहिए। इसकी प्राइस है 579 रुपीज़ एंड आई गॉट दिस इन द साइज एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल। फिर भी ये मुझे लूज फिट हो रहा है, आई डोंट नो व्हाई, क्या ही कर सकते हैं अभी। एनीवे, बिफोर मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट आउटफिट लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग। सिर्फ कपड़े, ज्वेलरीज एंड एक्सेसरीज ही इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं होता है, फेस्टिव सीजन में मेकअप भी बहुत ही ज्यादा मैटर करती है गाइस। सो फॉर अ परफेक्ट फ्लॉलेस लॉन्ग लास्टिंग मेकअप, आपकी बेस मेकअप एकदम फ्लॉलेस एंड इंटैक्ट रहनी चाहिए। सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट नाउ। फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, फाउंडेशन। यू नीड अ फाउंडेशन दैट गिव्स द राइट अमाउंट ऑफ कवरेज, गिव्स अ नेचुरल ग्लोइंग एंड ड्यूवी इफेक्ट विदाउट मेकिंग द स्किन greasy or oily, and of course जो long lasting भी हो। Presenting to you guys the Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation. It has lightweight serum formulation that gives your skin 2 times instant glow and merges with your skin tone to give that perfect coverage that lasts up to 12 hours. It is clinically tested to suit all Indian skin tones, plus thanks to the goodness of vitamin C and turmeric, it's packed with skin brightening properties and antioxidant benefits. Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation comes in 9 unique shades which suits all Indian skin tones. It is dermatologically tested, made safe certified, hence safe to use every day. And after using the foundation, to make the base intact, you need a compact. Wondering how to achieve glowing, even and smooth base without excess grease and shine? Meet the Mamaearth Glow Full Coverage Compact with SPF 30 and PA+++, which gives your skin 3 times instant glow and full coverage in just one swipe. With a sweat-resistant formulation, this compact controls excess oil and stays on your skin for up to 16 hours, creating a smooth base without creasing or looking cakey. It also comes with SPF 30 and PA+++, which shields your skin from sun damage. These are crafted with natural goodness of vitamin C and turmeric. This compact brightens and evens your skin tone, leaving it radiant and flawless. And the best part, it's made safe certified, which means it's free of harmful chemicals and toxins and safe to use every day. Like even when you don't want to put too much makeup on your skin on everyday basis, but still want that glowing oil-free look, after applying your moisturizer, you can use this compact. So it can be used standalone after using only moisturizer. This compact can be used in different situations to give your skin that glowing, flawless, oil-free look you need every day. If you are going to your office or a fun day or shopping, just apply BB cream or CC cream and then use this compact for light coverage. It can be used as your everyday makeup base or for heavy makeup base for festivals, weddings and occasions like that. Use this compact after using the Glow Serum Foundation and you are ready for the upcoming festive season like Durga Puja, Diwali, etc. What's more, it comes in 5 beautiful shades that suits all Indian skin tones, sweat resistant and oil control up to 16 hours. All the Mamaearth products are free from harmful chemicals and made of all natural ingredients. Mamaearth is a plastic positive Indian brand. Every time you buy from them, Mamaearth will link your order on their website to a tree that they plant. By 2025, Mamaearth is aiming to plant 1 million trees as a part of this initiative. Use my code PAUL2023 to get a 20% discount at their website mamaearth.in and Mamaearth app. Their products are available on Mamaearth, Amazon, Nykaa, Purple, Flipkart and Mamaearth app. Yes, Mamaearth has launched their official app. Users get early access to sales and will get extra discounts. And now Mamaearth's products are also available in the stores near you. DM me or you can comment down below the next time you spot a Mamaearth store near you. All the buying links are given in my description box down below. And now back to today's video. And lastly, I have this kurta set. इसमें दुपट्टा नहीं है. It's a very pretty pink colored embroidery kurta because इसमें भी ऐसे embroidery work है. It is very different from the yellow one. It has this anarkali sort of a cut. This is how it looks like. Palazzo भी plain basic palazzo ही है, but ankle पे ऐसी design है, ऐसी pattern है. The material is not stretchable, so that's the overall look. I love it so much. I again got this in the size small and the price is only 543 rupees. And yeah, that's all about this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Please go follow me there to get more of me and to get more such content. Comment down below which kurta you like the most, or if you're planning to buy any of these, let me know that too in the comment section. I would love to know that. If you have any video request or video suggestion, or if you have any queries, like literally anything, you can let me know that too in the comment section. Also, you can DM me on Instagram. मैं Instagram पे भी reply करती हूँ आप लोगों को. What else? हाँ, share this video and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.